Hi everyone, today I am going to talk about the sneeze. When do we sneeze? Think. If we enter into dust areas. Otherwise if, some dust enter into our lungs. So, whenever dust, bacteria, virus, etc., enter into lungs, our lungs passes the information to the control unit of our body called pituitary gland. Then this pituitary sends information to histamine gland. Histamine is the gland, the reason for sneeze. Then, this will generate some water inside the lungs to wipe out the dust or bacteria or virus whatever entered into your lungs while you breathing. Then this action happened. While sneezing, dust or bacteria or virus say some unwanted things come out with some water drops. This action is carried out to protect our lungs or body. So don't use any medicine to stop this and don't try to control your sneeze. Conclusion: sneeze is an action carried out by our body to throw the dust or unwanted particles which enters into the lungs. Thank you. Subscribe Thyrovalava 15100.